Well, this morning we have our good friend Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission with us this morning with another fantastic soy recipe. Now, this one actually won looks like third place in the main dish category for heart healthy recipes. This is from Joyce Conrad in Sterling, and it's soy stuffed shells. Say that 10 times fast.
That's right.
Good morning, Charlene.
Good morning. And I thought, we're looking for some easy recipes during the summer.
Right.
Families have busy schedules.
They certainly do.
And so these soy stuffed shells you could make ahead of time.
Perfect.
You could actually make a couple of dishes and put it in the freezer.
How fun.
What I did is she uses basil tomato sauce.
Okay.
And then uses the soy sausage.
Oh,
and so I
wonderful.
crumbled that up and mixed that with that to make our sauce, and you put that on the bottom layer.
Sure.
Now I'm making two different, this will make a big one as you can see over here, or you can make a smaller one.
How fun.
Now we're going to make the filling. So I've already put the egg in here, and you're going to add the tofu.
Okay, there
and
we
this
go.
is soft tofu, so it mixes really easy.
Wonderful.
Drain the water off of it because it's just a pressed soybean, and that water will gather in it.
Okay.
Okay, now go ahead and add our mozzarella cheese.
All right, there we go.
Yes, and then we have Parmesan cheese
Alrighty.
there. And then we have some parsley and basil.
Oh, it smells so good.
Now that fresh parsley
Yes.
and basil really add a fresh taste to this. So we're just going to mix that up, and then this would be a fun activity for kids really to do, to learn to
Yes.
cook in the kitchen. Let them mix this with just a bowl and a spoon, and then we're going to, I've already pre-cooked our shells.
Okay.
These are just jumbo pasta shells, and then gosh, let the kids fill them. That would be fun
How
to
fun.
do. And then put that in your baking dish. And just do that until you fill your baking dish up. And then you'll add the last bit of the tomato basil sauce to
Yes.
cover it.
Okay.
And you have a little bit more mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. Put that in the oven at 350 degrees for about 35
Yes.
minutes to heat it till it's warm. And you have a delicious meal
Look
for
at
your
that.
family.
And how easy was that,
It
too?
was easy,
and super
wasn't
fun
it?
for the kiddos if they want to get involved. Now, Charlene, where can they find this recipe, and as well to call to get the soy foods guide for this year as well?
Okay, they should go to our website at kansassoybeans.org, or you can also call our 800 number 877-KS Soybean. And then since you have the kids in the kitchen this summer, how about everybody in the family look at a recipe that they can enter in the
Yes.
recipe contest at the state fair. The link is on our website.
Okay.
With the directions and the rules and the deadlines for this year. But we'd love to announce their name next year, wouldn't we?
Well, how fun would that be? Well, Charlene, as always, thanks so much for being with us this morning with another fantastic recipe. Stick around. We'll be right back.